And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make custom ladder achievement on your profile. So I will go to my profile and to show you how it looks like this, and you're wondering how you got that, and yeah, I'll show you now. So go to featured and type here zoop, A-Z-U-P. Never mind. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, this game is what you need, and just buy it. I'm in Turkish, I'm in Turkey Steam, so it shows in Turkish lira, but yeah, I don't know, it's about euro or two. And when you buy that game, you have achievements for it. Okay, Zup, Zop S, and here view achievements, and here you have ladders. And in order to have this achievement showcase, you need to be at least 10th level on your Steam. I'm 73. Okay, weird flex. I don't know why I'm flexing. Sorry guys, I'm joking. And go to your browser and sorry, I will leave the link in comments, and go to file. Oh, sorry, no, don't go to file. Go to releases, and here I will give you this link, so it's gonna be easier for you. Click here. Sorry for my voice, it's evolving, I think, into dragon or something, I don't know. And now make a new folder, SAM, Steam Achievement Manager, yeah, and paste this into here. And when you paste it, Sam Picker. And now go to store page, right click here, copy page URL, and go here, and between app and zoop, I don't know, paste these numbers, and click here, add game. Okay, sorry, no, click here and add game, and okay, and open it. And now you see I have all achievements, and you see here invert and unlock all achievements and commit changes. And now you go to your profile, edit profile, featured showcase, and achievement showcase is my first, and here you can mess around, select Zap S, and here you can have custom ladders. Okay, ladders, wait, sorry for this, oh my god, it has a lot of things, but it will start with the letter A, I think. Yeah, of course it will. Oh my god, where is it? Okay, you see here you have all, and I wanna find A, sorry, here it is. Oh, okay, at the bottom. And here you can select this and select another, and you see here, and you can make it like this and click save, and it will show like this. And yeah guys, that is how you do that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next one. Peace.